My dear students, how are you? Today I am giving you a lesson from English first word. Open your page 36 class 9 and 10. Dear students, open at page 36. My lesson is Independence Day. Independence Day. You can see a picture. What is it? Can you say? Yes, it is a national memorial. It's a national memorial and it is situated at Sabar in Dhaka. I think you have seen this picture. You are familiar with this picture. You know our liberation war took place in 1971. Those who sacrificed their lives in our liberation war, this memorial is built for them. Today, I am going to discuss 26 March, Independence Day. At first, I read out the passage. Please, attention. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. This day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with a 31-gun salute. Have you got? Next, early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the nation placed floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Sabha. Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. Understand? The country also witnessed a spectacular parade of defense forces, border guards, police, Ansar and BDP. BDP means Village Defense Party at the National Parade Ground near the National Parliament. In Bangabandhu National Stadium, school children, scouts and girls guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. Educational institutions also organize their individual programs. Sports meets, the tournaments are also organized on that day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. In the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpokala Academy and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural functions. Similar functions are also arranged in other places in the country. This is the main theme of the passage. Now, here are the some difficult words. Take your note khata and write down some difficult words. Theme. What is it? Festival. This is festival. Write down. Festival means celebration, utsav. Next. Enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means eagerness. Enthusiasm means eagerness means aগ্রহ. Procession. This is procession. Procession means railing. Procession means railing. Next, spectator. Spectator means যারা দেখে, viewer. Spectator means viewer. Next word, what is it? Pay homage. Pay homage means সম্মান দেওয়া, give honor. Pay homage, give honor. Martyrs. Martyrs. Martyrs যারা 1971 সালে স্বাধীনতা যারা জীবন দিয়েছেন, those who sacrificed their lives. Dear students, now open your book, section C. Section C. Here are some words. Try to match these words from right to left. First of all, harbor. Harbor. Have you got harbor? Harbor means matching. Try to match this word. Harbor means a strong feeling of excitement. আমরা প্রথম শব্দ দেখব, harbor means F-E-R-B-O-U-R. Harbor means a strong feeling of excitement. Harbor means excitement. Similarly, as alike. Next one, alike. Alike means, look at the right side. Alike means in a similar way. Next, spectator. Spectator matching, do matching. A person who is watching an event. Displays. Displays means acts of performing skills. Next one, illuminate. Illuminates to light up. To light up. Now we are going section D. Here are some questions. You have to say, choose the best answer. You have to say correct answer. Choose the best answer. Number one, our biggest state festival is. Here are 4 options. Choose the best one. Imagine our biggest state festival is Independence Day. Number one, B. Right answer, Independence Day. Next, number 2, the celebration of Independence Day begins with gun salute. Begins with gun salute. 31 বার তপোর দিনের মাধ্যমে তোমাদের স্বাধীনতা দিবসের কার্যক্রম শুরু হয় 26শে মার্চ। The national mausoleum is number C at Sabha. Correct answer at Sabha. Next page. On Independence Day, a national parade is at the National Parade Ground. Number 8. Right answer, at the National Parade Ground. Dear students, 26 March is our Independence Day and it is the biggest state festival Today we celebrate that day all over the country with great homage to the martyrs. Think about our Independence Day. Now, section E, your home task. I hope you understand the main theme of the passage. Now, your home task, section E. This is your home task, section E. Page number 38. Here describe, write a brief how you have celebrated this year's Independence Day at your school. This is your home task, write in brief how have you celebrated this year's Independence Day at your school. Okay, thank you very much. With best wishes.